Fixing an old house is like peeling back an onion. You don't know what you're gonna find until you start peeling back the layers. So today, we thought we would continue installing the fiber cement siding. We got everything done up there on the upper gable, and this lower gable here has Lapse siding. So we thought, okay, let's just pull that off and then put some more fiber cement siding over the plywood. Make a little video to show you how to work on the gable, and we get to demoing out the siding, and ta-da, no plywood. So what seemed like it was going to be a rather simple job now has an extra step that we really weren't expecting. We'll just have to strip some plywood, get it up there, and then we can start shooting the video for the fiber cement siding. So anyways, once again, she's a stinky onion, but when we get done, it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, you know. Yeah.
Mike, you call me, man.
All right.
See what you're talking about.
Okay, today we're going to be installing the fiber cement siding onto the gable. So we're going to go up there on the gable, and we're going to make 3 lines. One in the center, one 16 inches to the left, and one 16 inches to the right. And as we're laying the siding, we'll start with this one. We'll do the second course on the center line, right to left. We'll do the third course on the line over here, right to left. What that'll do is that'll guarantee that we get the right staggered pattern on this material. So we're only going to have the angled cuts on the edges here,